Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download DaVinci Resolve for free video editing income, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the official Blackmagic Design website URL, www.blackmagicdesign.com. Once the page loads, locate the Support tab at the top navigation menu. Click on the Support tab to access the support page. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Latest Downloads. Under this section, look for DaVinci Resolve. Click on the link that corresponds to DaVinci Resolve. This will direct you to the download page specifically for DaVinci Resolve. You will see options for both the free and paid versions. Select the download button for the free version. Next, you will be prompted to choose your operating system. Select either Windows, Mac OS, or Linux based on your computer. After selecting your operating system, click the download button again. A registration form may appear. Fill out the required fields. Once completed, click the Register and Download button. Your download should begin automatically. If it does not, look for a prompt or link to start the download manually. Once the download is complete, locate the installation file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installation file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Accept any licensing agreements and choose your preferred installation settings. When prompted, allow the software to install necessary components. After the installation finishes, open DaVinci Resolve from your Applications folder. You are now ready to begin video editing with DaVinci Resolve. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.